Have you ever been captivated by the glamour and mystery of royal love stories? From fairy tale weddings to hidden romances, let's explore the intriguing world of royal romances, love, duty, and scandal. First, let's talk about love that crosses all boundaries. Think of Kate Middleton and Prince William. They met at the University of St. Andrews. A true fairy tale, right? Or consider Meghan Markle's journey from Hollywood to Buckingham Palace. These modern romances break the traditional royal mold and captivate us with their happily ever after stories. But not all royal marriages were about love. History is filled with strategic alliances. Take Queen Victoria and Prince Albert. Their union strengthened ties between Britain and Germany, and their descendants went on to marry into many European royal families. These marriages were chess moves, strengthening empires and forging international bonds. Every fairy tale has its dark chapters, and royal families are no exception. King Edward VIII's abdication to marry Wallis Simpson, an American divorcee, shocked the world in 1936. It was a scandal that changed the British monarchy forever. And who can forget the tumultuous marriage of Prince Charles and Princess Diana, marked by affairs and a very public divorce? Today's royals face unprecedented public scrutiny. Every aspect of their personal lives is amplified by social media and relentless press coverage. It's a world where privacy is rare, and every romance is a potential headline. Yet, through it all, their personal stories of love, resilience, and sometimes heartbreak continue to captivate us. From Queen Victoria's era to the internet age, royal romances have evolved, but our fascination remains unchanged. They offer us a glimpse into a world where duty and heart often collide, and every love story is a chapter of history. Captivated by these tales of royal hearts? Smash that like button, hit subscribe for more intriguing stories, and ring the bell for updates. Which royal romance story fascinates you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments. Stay tuned to InfoFusion for such exciting videos.